Have you ever tried to make tofu or soya cheese at home? Did you get this amazing result? If yes, kudos to you. If no, don't worry. I am here for you today. I'll share with you all the tricks and the techniques you need to know to make a perfect tofu at home. This is my soya beans, is 4 cups. Next, I will need cold water in a large bowl, and then I go ahead and get rid of stones in the beans. This is an African way of getting stones from beans and other grains and cereal, okay? We got 1 stone, just a stone. Here I take my time and then I wash my beans very well. After that, I'll drain the water out. And then I add more water to it. Here I cover it and allow it to rest overnight. It's the next day, guys. So I add more water to it. I give it a rinse. And then I drain the water out. Now it's time to blend our beans. It's very soft, so even if your blender is not that strong, at this point it can blend the beans, okay? I add more water to the beans, cover it, and then blend on high speed till smooth. Then I transfer the blended beans into a large container. We are going to blend the rest off camera, okay? Now we are done with all. I rinse my blender, add the water to it. Here you will need a chiffon cloth or cheesecloth. We are going to strain the blended soya beans to get milk out of it. Then take your time and then squeeze it harder to get more milk out of the chaff, okay? Now we have gotten our milk. I transfer that into a large cooking pot. The foam is too much, so I'm trying to get some out. Then we bring our milk to heat. I will stir this continuously on medium heat till it starts to boil, and as soon as it starts to boil, we will add our coagulant. Now it has started boiling, so at this point we can add our coagulant. Here I'm using white vinegar, so I gently add it to the milk. Remember, the milk is still on fire, okay? After that, I will give it a gentle stir so that the vinegar gets everywhere. But make sure you don't overstir it, okay? You can see that the curd has started forming. We will allow it to boil for a minute or 2. Then after that, we will turn off our heat and then cover it, allow it to rest for 5 minutes. That is one trick, okay? It's 5 minutes already now. Check. Are you seeing what I'm seeing here? Incredible. You can see that the curd has separated itself from the water. This is how it should be. This is how a perfect tofu should be. So here I scoop the curd into my chiffon cloth. You can also use a cheesecloth to do this. It's still hot, but we will try our best and work with it, okay? So here I try to squeeze out some of the water. After that, I will tie it tightly. Place it inside my colander. Get a heavy object. I had this earthen bowl. I place it on top, and then we allow it to rest for 2 hours or more. It's almost 2 hours now, so let's check. Wow, very firm. Now our tofu is ready. Watch this carefully. Very firm and smooth. No breakages. One reason why some people tofu keep on breaking when they are cutting it is that, for instance, if you're using white vinegar as your coagulant, after you add your coagulant to the milk, don't stir it too much. Just give it a gentle stir. After that, give the milk some time. The curd will all come together and form something solid, just like what you saw in this video earlier. But if you keep on stirring, you disturb the curd. It doesn't get the chance to come together and form something beautiful for you. That is one of the reasons why some people tofu keep on breaking when they are cutting it, okay? And we are done with part 1. Now let's move on to part 2 of this video. Into my bowl, I add in cold water. Then I add salt to my taste, okay? I stir to dissolve the salt. Here I gently add in my tofu. Then I cover it, set aside to rest for 15 minutes. Into my blender, I add onions, Scotch bonnet, garlic, tomatoes, water, and then I blend all together. Oil on fire, I add in my tofu. We are going to fry this on medium heat till they start to turn golden color. Soya is ready. So this is how it looks after frying, and this is how the inside also looks. Because it has already been seasoned with salt, it tastes really good. You can enjoy it just like this, but we are not done yet. Oil in my pan, I add in the blended ingredients. Then I give it a stir. I added a little bit of tomato paste. I couldn't capture that part. Here I add rosemary, I add cumin, salt, and then I stir all together. Then I go ahead and add our soya. I add more onions, green pepper, carrots, then we stir fry. And now our soya beans kebab is ready, guys. Hope you're going to try your hands on it soon, and trust me, you will love it. And this tastes really good and is the best source of protein for vegetarians. Everything here is from plants, so this is just a best dish for a vegetarian. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye.